Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
They're running down there at 100. Yep. Yeah, that's so fun. Well, at least it gives me a chance to fix the camp. I don't know. I don't know if it's button on my jacket or